In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retweet or repost on Twitter/X using Hootsuite. First, open Hootsuite and head to your Twitter or X stream. If you manage several networks, go to the streams area and switch to the board that includes your Twitter/X columns. Look for columns like home, mentions, or any lists or searches you've set up. This is where you'll scan for the content you want to share. Next, find the post you want to retweet. Take a moment to read the full post. And if it's part of a thread, open it to understand the context. Make sure it aligns with your brand voice and adds value to your audience. If you run multiple profiles, consider whether this post makes sense for each audience before you share it. When you're ready, click the retweet, repost, or share option on that post. In Hootsuite, this usually appears as the two arrows retweet icon or a share button. Clicking it opens the composer, where you'll decide how you want to share the post. Now, choose whether to repost directly or add your own comment. A direct repost simply shares the original post to your feed as is. This is best when the message is clear and you just want to amplify it quickly. If you add a comment, you'll create a quote post. Use this to provide context, add a brief takeaway, or include a relevant hashtag. Keep your comment concise and respectful of the original voice, and remember the character limit still applies. Before sending, select the correct Twitter/X account in the composer. If you manage multiple profiles in Hootsuite, double check the selected profile's name and avatar so you don't accidentally post from the wrong account. This quick check can save you a major headache later. Finally, decide whether to publish immediately or schedule the retweet. If timing matters, choose a date and time that fits your audience's active hours and your content calendar. Scheduling helps you avoid crowding your feed and keeps your posting cadence consistent. Confirm your time zone. And if you're quoting the post, preview the layout to ensure your comment looks clean and the link or media displays properly. That's it. Open your Twitter/X stream in Hootsuite, pick the post, choose retweet or quote, select the right profile, and publish now or schedule for later. With a little review and thoughtful timing, you can keep your feed active and aligned with your brand without any extra effort. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling. Yeah.